How to obtain crash logs and operation logs for Wondershare EdrawMax Mac version. Steps to obtain crash logs. There will be an error window prompt if the software crashed. Click Report to open the details of the report. Copy its content into a Word document and send this file to us. Steps to obtain operation log file. Step 1. Download the attached runningconfig.xml file and move it to the EdrawMax cache folder on the top menu bar of the Mac. Click on the Go option and then select Go to Folder in the pop-up window. Enter the cache directory for EdrawMax. Step 2. Operate the software again to let the issue recur. Step 3. Go to the same folder path mentioned in Step 1 and find the runninglog.xml file to send us. Thanks for watching.